Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today in this lesson we are going to learn constructions in English. Let's get started. Constructions with the verb to be. I am, I am. You are, you are. He is, he is. She is, she is. We are, we are. They are, they are. Constructions with have. I have, I have. You have, you have. We have, we have. They have, they have. Constructions with has. Has and is with the same constructions. She has, she is. She is, she is. He has, he is. He is, he is. Constructions with will. I will, I will. You will, you will. He will, he will. She will, she will. We will, we will. They will, they will. Constructions with head and would. Head and would have the same short form. I would, I would. I had, I had. You would, you would. You had, you would. He would, he'd. He had, he'd. She would, she had. She had, she had. We would, we would. We had, we had. They would, they had. They had, they had. Negative constructions. Is not, isn't. Are not, aren't. Was not, wasn't. Were not, weren't. Do not, don't. Does not, doesn't. Cannot, can't. Could not, couldn't. Must not, mustn't. Should not, shouldn't. Need not, needn't. Did not, didn't. Will not, won't. Would not, wouldn't. Has not, hasn't. Have not, haven't. Had not, hadn't. Other constructions. That is, that's. There is, there's. What is, what's. Where is, where's. Who is, whose. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.